Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials: a Google account and sync enabled. First, open Keep on web or mobile and tap New Note. Give it a clear title so you find it later, then type the main content. Once done, assign a label and pick a color for visual sorting. Make sure to add quick checkboxes when it's a task list. They sync automatically. This starts your organized Keep workflow and ensures everything you add will appear across devices immediately. Now deepen the process. Organize notes by labeling and color coding so you can filter fast. Pin priority notes to the top and archive items you don't need visible but might want later. Convert long notes into checklists when tasks emerge, or use voice recording on mobile to capture ideas hands-free. Once done, set time or location reminders to trigger the note when needed. Make sure to test search by label and keyword so retrieval becomes instant. Finish by syncing and sharing. Confirm sync is active in settings and that your online so changes propagate. Share notes with collaborators by adding their email or using the share link to edit in real time. For final cleanup, use archive for reference and trash for deletion. If something goes wrong, first check the archive and trash, then verify you're signed into the same Google account and sync is enabled. If notes still don't appear, toggle sync off and on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.